How many boxes does this order actually need? WooCommerce has no idea. It just adds up the weight and leaves you or your client to cover the gap. The dimensions problem. By default, WooCommerce only considers weight when calculating shipping. It completely ignores length, width, and height, the dimensions that actually determine how many boxes you need. This is known in logistics as the bin packing problem. And it means your checkout rates almost never match what carriers actually charge you. With only weight, you have two options. Option 1. Customers underpay and you lose money. Option 2. Customers overpay and abandon their carts because the shipping rate is too high. The smart solution. Flexible Shipping Box Packing by Octolize solves exactly this problem. It's an add-on for the free Flexible Shipping plugin, and it brings a real bin packing algorithm into your WooCommerce store. If you want to learn more about what flexible shipping is, check out the video linked in the top right corner. How to set up custom boxes. To do this, simply go to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping and select Flexible Shipping Box Packing. Set the exact dimensions, maximum weight, and padding for each size you actually use. There is no limit on how many boxes you can create and or what their dimensions are. You can replicate your warehouse exactly. For example, I created 3 boxes, A, B, and C. Next, go to your flexible shipping method and use the dedicated rules, box type or number of boxes. Set the rates that work for you, and you're all set. Then, when a customer adds products to their cart, the algorithm automatically calculates the most efficient way to pack them. If you would like to learn more about how this algorithm works, please check our documentation. The result. Accurate rates that reflect your real logistics. No more over or undercharging customers. Remember, shipping is the final stretch between your customer's decision and a completed sale. By starting your subscription now, you guarantee your current price forever. And with our 30-day return policy, there's no risk. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Our human expert will get back to you with a response.